How to get rid of fruit flies with hydrogen peroxide in simple steps. If you have a fruit fly infestation, it is only natural to look for the best methods to get rid of it. Hydrogen peroxide is one of the most effective and safest methods of getting rid of bothersome fruit flies. This is because it's a natural disinfectant and a powerful oxidizer that easily kills these flies and prevents them from returning. We will discuss how to use hydrogen peroxide to get rid of fruit flies. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of these annoying pests. Get rid of it! What is hydrogen peroxide? Hydrogen peroxide is a chemical compound that comprises oxygen and water. The liquid is typically pale blue and noticeably more viscous than water. If you accidentally taste it, you will notice it is bitter. The most common concentration found in stores is 3%, which is safe. In comparison, hair bleach contains about 6% to 10% hydrogen peroxide. But that said, all you need for this task is this 3% type. How to use hydrogen peroxide to get rid of fruit flies. The following are the steps to take when using hydrogen peroxide to get rid of fruit flies. Step 1. Create the mixture. You will need a spray bottle, water, and hydrogen peroxide to create this mixture. First, measure out 3 parts water and put it in a container. Second, measure out 1 part hydrogen peroxide and add it to the water. Next, mix them thoroughly to create a solution. Then, pour it into a spray bottle and you are ready to start spraying in various parts of the house, inside and outside. Step 2. Spray the mixture. Now, you can spray the solution around the house and out in the yard. You can also spray in the soil if you notice your plants have a fruit fly problem. It will go a long way in preventing them from coming back. The solution is excellent at killing fruit flies in every stage of life, as long as you spray it directly in their clusters. It is also great at keeping gnats away from your plants because they cannot withstand the strength of hydrogen peroxide. Step 3. Pour the mixture. You have the option of pouring the solution into the soil or in fruit fly-prone areas around the house. If you have indoor plants attracting a large number of fruit flies, use a solution of 4 parts water and 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Once done, pour generous amounts of the solution into the soil when watering your plants. Ensure you allow the soil to dry before inspecting it for results. The solution should kill the flies within several days. Repeat the process with the solution every 2 or 3 weeks so that the chemical does not kill the plants. However, do it as necessary until you no longer have an infestation. Consider pouring concentrated hydrogen peroxide down drains in your kitchen, bathroom, and other parts of the house. Alternatively, mix it with water before use. Fruit flies love a damp environment, so you will find them in abundance down in drains. Besides, drains may have food crumbs they can feed on and multiply. Why is hydrogen peroxide effective on fruit flies? Hydrogen peroxide is effective in getting rid of fruit flies because it can kill adults, eggs, and larvae. In other words, it gets rid of this pest in all stages of its life cycle. This makes it one of the best ways to deal with a severe infestation. When fruit flies come in contact with hydrogen peroxide, its antiseptic properties destroy the outer layer of cells. This results in the death of the flies in many numbers. Hydrogen peroxide is also one of the most natural and practical methods of killing fruit flies. The reason is that it is non-toxic and eco-friendly. In addition, it's easy to use and is a safe household item. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.